Hi everybody, Joel from BVN Realty. Today we're here at Casa Santorini. The cool thing about this subdivision is there's 56 homes here already, but a total of 120, as I'm told, will be the full construction of this community. The other neat thing about this community is it's super close to the main hospital in San Juan del Sur. We're about 5 minutes away from the city center, and we have lots of neighbors here that we can connect with. So if you're looking for a really secure neighborhood, 5 minutes from town, nice and flat, no hills to go on, Casa Santorini is going to be one of your best locations. Follow me as we go through this property. One of the neat things we have outside here is we've got a little cafe table. And as we come through the entranceway, we come into the living room. The living room has got all of the essentials that you would need. You've got a couple of chairs, you've got a couch, we've got some fans, of course, and a nice big TV. You might notice that I'm walking with poles. I hurt myself, so I'm using poles to get around these days, but that's okay, I'll be fine. So I was using it as a pointer. Anyways, we've got a nice big kitchen, nice North American style, large fridge, four burner propane stove, really nice cabinetry, everything's all inclusive. There's also a security system in the house as well too, so if you decide to rent this as an Airbnb, then you can rest assured you have some security in the home. On this main level, we have a washroom with a stand-up shower, and right across from the room, of course, is bedroom number 1. There's a total of 3 plus 1 bedrooms here. That particular bedroom's got a queen bed and a single in it, so it really is set up for an Airbnb where you can have multiple guests. Coming out the back of the house is where we have our entertaining spot, which is probably one of the best parts of this property. So we've got a great pool, we've got another dining area, and we've got a lounging area with a barbecue and another sink. It's really private, it's really well landscaped, if you will. It's got some nice shrubs, some nice plants. Moving just beyond the cameraman here, Diego, if you can just turn around. We've got another bedroom in here, so we'll just walk quickly to the bedroom. And if you want to just poke the camera in there, we've got 2 bunk beds that are in this room. Beyond the gate where I'm standing is your driveway, so you can actually have parking not on the street, it can be in the driveway. Just over here to the Be Happy sign is another washroom. So we have that's kind of cool, you've got a washroom outside. And on the other side of there is where all the pool chemicals are, the pump, and of course there's a laundry machine back there as well. So we're just going to cut the video off right here, and then I'm going to go upstairs and show you the rest upstairs. So we're upstairs in Casa Santorini, and what I love about this house is it's got all kinds of reminders of why we're here and why we're on the planet. Enjoy the little things. Wake up and be awesome. save water, drink wine. Love is always the answer, and everything you imagine is real. So there's some really cool vibes to this house. I'm really getting it. It feels more like a home than it is a house. So in the upstairs level, we've got a shared washroom between 2 bedrooms. Inside of this washroom is a stand-up shower, flush toilet, and a sink. Really nice tile work. Really nice tiles, matching tiles all throughout this level. This bedroom, of course, we've got another air conditioner. All the bedrooms have air conditioning. There's a queen size bunk bed, another television, and 1, 2, 3, 4 windows in this room. All the windows have screens as well, so if you're worried about mosquitoes and bugs, don't worry, everything has got screens. In the master suite, we also have what's neat is a little terrace off the master suite. So you can get up in the morning and have your coffee out on your terrace, but I think you probably want to go to the pool. There's another television in here. We've got a ceiling fan, air conditioning, and 2 other windows, and a little bit of a wardrobe, his and hers wardrobes to hang your clothes. So upstairs of Santorini's got 2 bedrooms. On the main level, there's 1 bedroom, and then in the pool area, there's a 4th bedroom. So really, it truly is a 4-bedroom house, and we're looking at three washrooms here. The pool is a super nice feature, and what also is cool about this is it's a corner lot. So we'll stop the video now, and we'll just go outside and show you what the lot looks like outside. So we're just on the outside of the home at Casa Santorini. We're just showing you the view of the outside. We've got the driveway. We've got some really nice nut trees that are available on the property. Like I said before, there's only 56 homes in this subdivision right now, with a total of 120. So if you're looking for a community, if you're looking for homes that are all very similar, all the homes are blue and white, which is amazing. It's just such a cool color combination. Of course, it's the color combination of the Nicaraguan flag. So Casa Santorini, great value. We'll have more information about the listing in the text. And as I said before, we're about 5 minutes away from the city center of San Juan del Sur. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Adios.